In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your mandatory field colors. By default, if we jump to a form here, all mandatory fields will be highlighted in yellow. Uh, this is obviously not so popular if you've got maybe different colors in your branding, or if you want to just simply turn the mandatory field highlight off completely. So you can have it so you've just got the little red star. You can have it in the mandatory yellow, or you can set it to be your own particular colors. Now, there are two places where the mandatory field colors are set. One in your branding. So if you go into branding and scroll down here, you can decide to turn off mandatory fields, or you can change the color. However, one thing to note is that if you set up your account and you've already added form templates into your form manager, because because the color is already set up as yellow when those forms are added, changing it in your branding won't change any forms that have already had that setting implemented. So what you need to do is go to Form Manager, go to the actual form itself, click on the cog here, click on the form settings, which is the little pencil, and if you click on form and PDF colors and scroll down, you can see that you've got the actual highlight setting within the individual form. So in this case, if I wanted to turn it off, I simply deselect it. Or if I wanted to change this yellow to say the same pink, I would just copy that color there, paste it into here, and that would then set my mandatory fields into the pink color. So remember, you need to set it in your branding, but if you've already got forms added, then go to the form settings and change it in your form and PDF colors.